I'm Brandon Lam, and today I would like to present my project of achieving clean water in developing countries. Living in Hong Kong, we could gain access to clean tap water readily. Yet, do you know, according to WHO, over 2 billion, one-fourth of the global population, live in water-stressed countries, which is expected to be exacerbated in some regions as a result of climate change and population growth. Contaminated drinking water can transmit diseases such as diarrhea, cholera, and polio, and is expected to cause 485,000 diarrheal deaths each year. Safe and sufficient water facilitates the practice of hygiene, which is a key measure to prevent not only diarrheal diseases, but also acute respiratory infections and tropical diseases. In view of this serious global issue, I decided to conduct this project. The objective is by using reliable ways to test water samples' degree of contamination, select and develop the most feasible and effective ways to purify water, thus helping people in developing countries to have affordable access to clean, drinkable water. Therefore, I conducted some experiments on testing water quality. The first method is to test their pH value, and the second is to test their dissolved oxygen content. These two methods are comparatively easy and inexpensive to perform, and the results are quite distinctive. To test the dissolved oxygen content in a sample, the traditional way is to use the Winkler's method. It involves multiple processes and titration and loss. I tried it with a tap water sample, but as it requires much time, I simply used the dissolved oxygen meter later. By connecting the dissolved oxygen meter and the data logger to the computer, data is displayed on the screen. Although it seems like a simple process, it requires multiple trials to ensure the value is stable. As for testing pH value, I used the common method of dipping the pH paper strip into a small amount of sample. As in the image, sometimes the difference could be small, which is why repeating the test is necessary. After the experiments, here are the results gathered. Due to the large variation and slightly alkaline nature of the pH value of toilet water, it is omitted in chart. Now, here's the conclusion based on the result. Dissolved oxygen content and pH value are both inversely proportional to the sample's degree of contamination. Due to the ability to detect diluted, minuscule amount of contaminants in the sample, dissolved oxygen tests could be more sensitive and accurate. Next, it will be my suggestions of effective and feasible water purification methods. From a table, we could see reverse osmosis and biosand filtration are both less suitable due to high initial cost and high cost to replace the biosand respectively. Chlorination, however, can cause irritation to skin and scalp, which makes it less preferable. Therefore, I suggest the use of solar distillation. It is superior as it could perform better in hot and dry places like in the Middle East. But to compensate for its disadvantages, it should be combined with solar sterilization such that bacteria could be killed. In addition, modern design and large-scale installments should be adopted to boost efficiency, especially in the long run. To end my presentation, I would like to express my gratitude for having the precious opportunity to join this HKUST Science program in the past few months. It has been a very rewarding experience throughout Phase 1, where I learned advanced chemistry, biology, and physics knowledge. Being a junior form student, the hands-on experience through various lab sessions not only broadened my horizons, but also enhanced my interest and curiosity in those fields greatly. In Phases 2 and 3, although encountering difficulties such as the need to modify the research topic, I learned a lot of important skills in conducting experiments and how to compose a neat scientific report. In addition, I will have the chance to share and appreciate each other's work. As a whole, this learning journey will certainly be one that I will never forget. Thank you very much for listening.